Welcome to PLP. The following presentation illustrates the acceptable hand application of the PLP alloy slack span dead end. It is designed for use on distribution lines to terminate primary conductors where the span is under very low tensile loading. All slack span dead ends come with an identification flag displaying the catalog number, the conductor range, and insulator information, and a warning label that indicates the load rating of the dead end. Each slack span dead end features a set of crossover marks located on the legs of the product that indicate the proper application point of the dead end. These marks are color-coded corresponding to the applicable conductor range. The cabled loop wraps around the insulator head, providing the termination for the conductor. Remove the identification flag from the dead end and place it around the neck of the insulator. Position the conductor in the top groove of the insulator and pull it up to the proper tension. Begin to wrap one leg onto the conductor and wrap this leg to completion. Wrap the second leg on the conductor at the dead end's crossover mark. Wrap this leg to completion. This completes the application of the alloy slack span dead end.